Welcome to the ultimate list of 100 tools so good, they don't even seem real. From precision woodworking gear to powerful pro-grade tools by Makita, Milwaukee, Kreg, and more, these game changers will blow your mind and upgrade your workshop. Let's dive into the future of craftsmanship.
Abrasive chop saw. The abrasive chop saw kit offers you a portable solution while generating the same power as a 15-amp corded chop saw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 14-inch abrasive chop saw utilizes a power state brushless motor providing 4,000 RPMs or revolutions per minute for consistent power and cut speed. RedLink Plus. RedLink Plus intelligence ensures maximum performance and protection from overload, overheating, and over-discharge. When paired with the M18 Red Lithium High Output HD 12.0 battery, the cordless chop saw provides up to 200 cuts per charge in 3 to 5/8 of an inch. 20-gauge steel stud. The rapid stop brake blade stops the blade within 3 seconds of trigger release. This portable chop saw offers a tool-free blade change and tool-free fence adjustment, making blade changes and fence movements a seamless process, saving you time. An overload indicator light coaches you into the optimal cutting speed. Maximus 4.0. The Macto Maximus 4.0 features Android 9.0, 2 GHz octa-core CPU, and 8 GB plus 256 GB memory for the best operation experience. Have confidence to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. The new VCI with Linux system supports USB, BT, and wireless connection, compatible with CANFD, DOIP, J2534, and other diagnostic protocols. The ability to consult and collaborate with expert technicians remotely for information sharing and identifying complex issues and repairs includes the ability to view DTCs, analyze live engine PID metrics, and perform special functions. Stretch cable tie roll. The stretch cable tie roll organizes cables, wires, cords, or anything that needs bundling. Pull one end through the rectangular hole on the opposite end and twist to lock in place. This exclusive design also features screw holes for a more permanent mounting, made of heavy-duty specialty nylon to withstand time without sagging. Exclusive design features optional screw holes for mounting. The Rapid EG Pen. This versatile pen-shaped glue gun offers a better grip and a longer trigger for smoother, more precise gluing and more control when working on tricky or detailed parts. Ideal for crafting and decorating. Ready to use in just 60 seconds. Includes practical stand with integrated glue collector to catch any glue drops. The stand allows the EG pen to cool down safely and for easy storage. Suitable for use with 7mm glue sticks, transparent, colored, or glittered, and therefore suitable for a variety of applications. The Kika Digga Portable Gardening Assistant. Kika Digga is an award-winning product that helps you get gardening done quickly and safely. Digging can be laborious and have a negative impact on your body. Kika Digga incorporates a unique clamp, pedal, and lever action function. When attached to a standard garden fork or spade, the user can dig and turn out soil whilst remaining upright, avoiding excessive bending and back strain. Use it for digging, weeding, and aerating around regular garden soil. Kika Digga makes light work of hard work. 6-row seeder. Clean, professional plantings of small to medium-sized seeds with less wasted seed and reduced labor. A design born from customer feedback. Up to 6 rows can be planted at once with 2 1/4-inch spacing between rows. Front roller firms and levels the soil, more efficient and easier to use. The new design includes tabs on the drive wheel to improve traction in a variety of soil types. Open wheel ends to allow debris to be easily cleaned from the wheel of the cage. A seed funnel to facilitate collection of unused seeds. A powder-coated steel frame and an adjustable offset 59-inch long handle. GEDA Battery Ladder Lift. Compact and portable, the battery ladder lift removes the inconvenience of finding an electrical power outlet. Quick to erect and capable of lifting loads of up to 120 kilograms to a height of 10 meters at a speed of 15 meters per minute. Compact, light, and portable lifting hoist. The GEDA battery ladder lift is designed to vertically transport numerous construction materials and tools quickly and safely. An innovative high-capacity 24-volt, 10Ah lithium-ion battery removes the need for an electricity source, saving valuable time on the construction site. It can also be operated totally wirelessly by the innovative Remove Radio Control. With its load capacity of 120 kilograms and a hoisting speed of 15 meters per minute, the GEDA battery ladder lift uses its versatile load-carrying equipment to heights of up to 10 meters. At the end of the working day, the battery ladder lift only requires 1.5 hours to fully charge. Ready for your next project. Mishan Tools 110 Pipe Cutter. Mishan Tools presents Pipe Cutter 110, a powerful hand tool for professional users. This cordless plastic pipe cutter is manufactured through diligent product development and many years of experience. Pipe Cutter 110 is designed and manufactured to shorten PVC and plastic pipes and deburr shortened pipe ends in the same operation. Row Pump Super Plus, optimal entry-level tool for installers, janitors, and drain cleaners for the quick removal of simple blockages in connecting pipes of wash basins and sinks, tubs, and toilets, using the suction or pressure principle. There is no need to frequently replace pipes. The plunger makes cleaning easy and comfortable, saving you a lot of water pipe repair costs. The hole is made of aluminum alloy, and the built-in steel pipe is made of a stainless steel, which is durable and does not rust. With different configuration plunger heads, it can be used in toilets, wash basins, bathtubs, showers, sinks, squatting pans, floor drains, pipe blockages, etc. The Spot Pro system. The Albion 1032-G02 is a 12-inch long metal check valve extension nozzle that works with the B12-B30HJ caulk gun to apply caulk evenly to the heads of screws on metal roofs. The spring-loaded valve is activated by pressing down on the screw. The Spot Pro extension nozzle applies a controlled dab of caulk or sealant on screw heads. Arrow's T601, an advanced, idiot-proof device that automatically identifies a variety of compatible wire gauges, totally adaptable to lots of projects. Whether you are right or left-handed, the Arrow's T601 staple gun will slip effortlessly onto your belt and stay conveniently within reach for every task. This is the only switch on the staple gun, and it has nothing to do with the fasteners and everything to do with the task at hand. Got a particularly tough job? Slide this switch for more power. Keep it handy and stow this staple gun easily with the simple and convenient handle lock. Compatible with 6 different types of fasteners in 18 different sizes. You can get almost any job done with this staple gun. And it features a low fastener indicator window, so you won't miss a beat while you work. Ames Model 68000 Socket Bro. The AME International Socket Bro Turbo Socket Set number 68000 is half-inch impact rated and saves on time by eliminating the need to change tools. The Socket Bro can remove fasteners that are up to 70% rounded off and provides over 40% more torque when the weighted disc is added. The company says ideal in cases of over-torque or corroded fasteners. The Socket Bro set includes 17mm, 19mm, and 21mm sockets. Plush Lock Hose Tool. Pressing push lock fittings manually for an aircraft maintenance stand in an unheated warehouse. Hundreds of fittings, where a benchtop tool wouldn't work. I needed a portable push lock hose assembly tool. I was surprised to learn there wasn't a portable, lightweight, reliable push-lock hose assembly tool on the market. The tools that are there for our industrialized size application. Ring RIL 4300. The MagFlex Slim Fast Charge includes both a 100 lumen torch option for a focused beam of light and a 500 lumen lamp for a wide flood of light, adapting to your needs. The Ring RIL 4300 MagFlex Slim Fast Charged LED inspection lamp is a slim inspection lamp with a difference. Fast technology charges the lamp from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour. The same long life with 3 times quicker charging gets back to work in a flash. Designed with the mechanic in mind, this 500 lumen 5700K color temperature lamp is rated IK08 to survive the toughest garage environments. Features such as a multi-angle lamp head, magnets, and hooks allow for hands-free working, ideal for mechanics and working under the hood of a car. The MagFlex Slim Fast Charge includes both a 100 lumen torch option for a focused beam of light and a 500 lumen lamp for a wide flood of light, adapting to your needs. The Zycar SD60A. The length of this type of wool roller is 300 millimeters, which can realize 2 people work at the same time, which greatly improves work efficiency. The machine body is made of 5mm steel plate, and all the sheet metal is cut by laser. With precise dimensions and beautiful appearance, it is suitable for all kinds of solid wood, composite board, density board, veneer board, and other materials. It can be used for door lines, door flowers, hangers, polishing of various special shaped flat wood products, such as Roman columns, photo frames, or toilet seats. The PowerDuction 50LG. The instantaneous power delivered by the PowerDuction 50LG allows heating in the heart of the metal in a fraction of a second, particularly ideal for use in mechanics, bodywork, or maintenance. This system provides immediate heating without flame to unclog and unlock any recalcitrant metal parts. The precision offered by this tool guarantees work near heat-sensitive areas in complete safety and without dismantling. Capable of continuous full power heating, the PowerDuction 50LG is the most powerful in the single-phase range, ideal for intensive use. This high power also makes it suitable for straightening metal structures. Like the 39LG, it is equipped with a PFC, or Power Faction Correction, and ProTech 400 power supply. These technologies have 3 major advantages: use on a power grid from 185 volt to 265 volts, protection against overvoltages up to 400 volts, energy saving costs of 30%, all from a 25 amp/230 volt supply. The MEC 600 Metal Edge Cutter. The all-in-one tool for process-reliable body shell separation. The MEC 600 is a unique, fast, and massive cost-saving pneumatic tool. Using a tungsten carbide special milling cutter, it will avoid costly damage to inner panels or skin and will significantly improve your body shop productivity. Outstanding on the edges of the door and trunk, fender edges and roof channels. The pneumatic milling tool MEC 600 has been developed for cutting weld seams and for the process-reliable and precise removal of the outer skin of the car body. The adjustable guidance of the carbide milling cutter enables the MEC 600 to be set quickly and easily to different angular positions of the body panels. Look at this. The underlying sheet metal structure is not damaged. Mobile Heat MH3. With the new cordless hot air tool Mobile Heat MH3, professional repairs can be carried out in a few seconds with full flexibility. Thanks to the innovative heating technology, temperatures of 300 degrees Celsius are reached in less than 5 seconds, thus saving the battery life, which is also compatible with all the devices of the CAS cooperation. Powerful, with up to 200 I/min. Directly on the material. The biggest advantage of the device is already in the name. It is mobile. You can carry out small to medium-sized repairs anywhere, regardless of electricity. And thanks to the CAS cooperation, the battery can be used regardless of manufacturer. CAS is a manufacturer-independent battery system of a leading power tool brands, focusing on 18-volt, the most important application area for professional users. REMS Frigo 2, electric pipe freezing unit with closed refrigerant circuit. Environmentally safe, can be used anywhere, also in closed rooms. Refrigerant is R-290. High cooling capacity. Only one pipe freezing unit for the complete working range of up to 2 inches. One size freezer heads for the core working range of 1/4 inch to 1 inch, or 15 millimeters to 35 millimeters. No reducing inserts required. Aid the cooling process simply by spraying with water. AL150HS High-Speed Pipe Notcher Machine. The new AL150HS 2-in-1 machine. Grinding belt and pipe grinder. High-speed belt thanks to a unique transmission up to 150 feet per second. The benefits of the AL150HS are less dust particles, less change of color, and longer belt life, 2 to 3 times to be exact. Due to high speed, the AL150HS can be operated with 2 hand wheels or a lever. The machine is equipped with both options. The AL150HS can be used to grind material from 20 millimeters to 114.3 millimeters. Drum trolley with band. Explore the most adaptable oil drum trolley on the market. With the ergonomic design, this unit lets you move drums weighing up to 350 kilograms easily, safely, and comfortably. The adjustable drum catch means you can use it with steel, plastic, and fireboard drums from 50 to 205 liter. SP0402 Micro Foam Cutter. You can cut the foam board or foam block from any angle and craft into your desired shape, such as Halloween costumes, handmade practice, even model making lessons by kids at school. You can cut from the foam board or foam block from any angle and craft into your desired shape. It is also perfect for commercial artwork development, complex and small font design in advertisement, such as letters, art piece creation by hobbyists, foam carving, art model making, DIY craft projects in home and school. Signu Mat Hammer for long lug tags. The tag will securely fix to the bark of the tree, and the barbs on the lugs ensure it cannot be easily removed. Occasionally, for certain species of tree, a nail may be required for additional security. However, this is not usually necessary. Hammer clips onto the magazine for easy storage and transport. The Signu Mat system from Latchpacker is one of the most outstanding and innovative methods of marking and numbering wood to be developed for years. Fast, cost-effective, and weather-resistant. These tags can be used to mark length and section-cut timber, as well as standing trees. Wood is quickly and cleanly numbered with various colored tags, number sequences, barcodes, or company personalizations, bringing precision and control to your forestry work. The Chopper 1 Axe. What makes this axe so special are the 2 splitting levers on the side of the axe head near the cutting edge. When you drive the head into the wood, the levers will push the wood apart, making it easier and faster to split the wood. This makes the use of wedges and mallets unnecessary, and it prevents the axe from getting stuck into the wood. Even splitting large pieces or knotted pieces is a real ease with the Chopper 1. Handheld Laser Welding Machine. The Laser Handheld Laser Welding Machine adopts the latest generation of fiber lasers and is equipped with a self-developed wobble welding head to fill the gap of the handheld welding in the laser equipment industry. It has the advantages of simple operation, beautiful weld seam, fast welding speed, and no consumables. Welding of metal materials such as stainless steel plates, iron plates, and galvanized plates can perfectly replace traditional arc and arc welding and electric welding. The handheld laser welding machine can be widely used in complex and irregular welding processes, in cabinet kitchens, stair elevators, shelves, ovens, stainless steel door and window guardrails, distribution boxes, stainless steel homes, and other industries. The BEHA belt, specifically developed heating paddles for butt welding of conveyor belts. The design of the welding device allows easy and professional handling. Elastic monolithic PU conveyor belts from BEHA belt offer new fabrication possibilities. Due to the lack of traction layers, joining by finger welding is no longer necessary, as the monolithic belt has a homogeneous design. Even in the weld seam, the welding device HS from BEHA belt is a simple, handy, reliable, and cost-effective tool for butt joining of monolithic belts. Depending on customer requirements, 2 versions are available, with the joining table and heating paddle for max. Belt widths up to 400 and up to 800 millimeters. The simple operation in combination with the intuitive production aids enables a repeatable and high-quality connection of the belts. Grinding table 150 basic. The Hall's Profi sanding table, made of galvanized sheet steel with manual height adjustment. The offset long sides enable the simplest possible edge sanding with a beechwood workpiece support. The funnel-shaped airflow guarantees an optimal suction effect. The table facilitates suspension of the welding torch when not in use. Underneath the working area, there is a dust drawer to take care of the heavy dust, which can be easily emptied from the front of the table. Hinge positioning hole punch. Hinge guide drill can help you quickly drill the perfect hidden hinge hole. Suitable for furniture door cabinet hinge positioning installation. Determine the position of the drill hinge cup with the short plate upward. Fix the screws on the edge of the plate and simply drill the hinge cup hole. Self-leveling green planar laser level. The Klein Tools rechargeable self-leveling green planar laser level is a high-performance laser leveling and alignment tool for professionals. Clear, bright green, 360-degree lines in the X, Y, and Z planes project from this level and offers plumb up and plumb down marks. Rechargeable self-leveling green planar laser level has easy to read with high visibility green horizontal and vertical laser lines. View the upward and downward plumb marks at the intersection of the Y plane and Z plane. Rugged body provides IP54 water and dust resistance. Hard plastic carrying case included. Ultimate pipe clamps. For medium-duty applications and optimized components, it brings more flexibility with reduced complexity. Low-friction slide strip in the center of the ruby inlay makes positioning of the pipe easier without pushing the inlay out of the pipe clamp. 3-stage safety closure makes installation easier, especially overhead. Can be used for fastening fresh water, wastewater, and heating pipes in residential and industrial construction. Faster, easier, and more reliable closing thanks to the safety snap mechanism. Compact spot blower. This compact spot blower delivers more control and faster cleanup. It features high and low speed settings, a lock-on button, and a variable speed trigger for increased control during job site cleanup. The M12 compact spot blower's compact size allows for greater access, maneuverability in tight spaces, and easy storage. The axial fan provides the best combination of power and runtime, with 175 CFM and 110 miles per hour of airspeed. The M12 compact spot blower includes 2 nozzles. The rubber nozzle removes debris from hard-to-reach spaces. The wide sweeping nozzle efficiently clears debris in open spaces. The M12 compact spot blower is ideal for job site debris removal and workbench cleanup. Table apron clamping square. The oversized surfaces and cutout on the corner ensures that you have a reliable 90-degree clamping reference that doesn't need to go into the corner. This can be used with nearly any clamp on the market, but works especially well with our CSP clamps. These clamps drop into the holes on the squares, freeing you to hold the square in place and tighten the clamps. These rugged assembly tools are machined to tolerances similar to those used in our legendary layout tools, plus or minus 0.0085 degrees. The 3/4 inch thick square delivers a solid reference surface. 4 table apron clamping squares and 16 CSP clamps support even the largest dining room table designs, perfectly square with little effort. Rigid 18-volt brushless framing nailer. This framing nailer provides all the power of a pneumatic nailer, but with the convenience of cordless freedom. With no compressor, no hose, and no gas cartridge, this cordless framing nailer enables faster setup and easier maneuvering on the job site. The rigid 18-volt brushless 21-degree framing nailer drives 3 nails per second with no gas cartridge and 0 ramp-up time, meaning that there are no delays once that trigger is pulled. To meet all professional needs, the high-strength brushless motor in this framing nailer delivers enough power to sink 2 inches to 3.5 inches of full round head framing nails into engineered lumber. Hedge trimmer. With a cutting speed of 3,000 strokes per minute, the Ryobi 40-volt HP hedge trimmer delivers gas-like power and a longer runtime than a gas hedge trimmer. The premium HP brushless motor provides more power, longer runtime, and a longer motor life. The 26-inch blade provides maximum cutting capacity and added reach. The dual-action steel blades offer an aggressive 1-inch cutting capacity, all while reducing unsafe vibration. Other features include a rotating rear handle for precision cutting at any angle, along with a wraparound front handle for ultimate control. Sunjo 24-volt handheld flashlight. Oof! If you're stuck without power trying to work in a dark, dreary basement or at the worksite or campsite at night, it's time to turn on the 24-volt cordless LED handheld spotlight from Sunjo, powered by the 24-volt Ion Plus system. The included 2.0 AH battery provides up to 70 hours of rechargeable runtime. That's nearly 3 days of continuous use. Perfect for power outage situations. With up to 1500 lumens max of power, Sunjo casts light up to 700 yards away for max visibility when you need it most. Need a light straight ahead, at an angle, or straight up? Sunjo has you covered. The adjustable multi-angle head shines right where you want it and only where you need it. Weha Tools Soft Finish Conduit Reamer and 6-in-1 Multi-Driver Combo. Weha Conduit Reamer and 6-in-1 Multi-Driver is the standard for premium quality professional multi-drivers, featuring ergonomic cushion grip handle for comfort and control. Dual durometer construction for long-lasting durability, includes parallel flats to prevent tabletop roll-off, and offers an interchangeable bit and nut driver receiver system for multi-tool adaptivity. The Weha Conduit Reamer insert deburrs and smooths 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch conduit ends, both inside and out to protect wire insulation and a proper fit for install. The reamer also features a shrouded slotted driver tip to prevent slipping off the fastener head while tightening hard-to-reach conduit fittings. Weha 6-in-1 Multi-Driver insert includes 4 essential screwdriver and 2 nut driver tip profiles for efficient tool carry. Consists of Weha premium quality tool steel engineered for strength and durability that feature exact fit precision machine tips to reduce cam out of fastener heads. The nut driver component is chrome plated and the double-ended bits have a phosphate finish for corrosion protection and surface resilience. Hand-operated steel bending brake. Kaka Industrial FB-4 steel bending brake is used for press bending ornamental iron, mild steel, aluminum, and other metals. One benefit of this steel bender is that it is easily mounted to any bench top for cold forming of steel and metals. This bender brake includes setup plate for table clamping. Additionally, this sheet metal bender can bend to 90 degrees by simply turning handle lever until the desired angle is accomplished. High flexible 90-degree bending angle can be adjusted by simply turning a hand level. 4-inch hand-operated steel bending brake with 2.5 tons of pressing capacity, as well as 2.5 inches maximum pressing travel distance. The sheet metal brake bender can be used for press bending ornamental iron, mild steel, aluminum, and other metals. Bevel gauge and miter box. The bevel gauge and miter box for measuring and sawing precise miters is a clever 2-in-1 product that guarantees you perfectly fitted baseboards, eliminating that need for an angular bevel gauge. You will also save yourself the tedious and error-prone task of transferring the correct angle to the saw. Measure corners from 85 degrees to 180 degrees, conveniently using the 2 moving arms. In the second step, place the baseboard in the guides provided and saw using the back saw. The automatic angle bisector using 2 guide pins ensures precise miters. Using the bevel and miter box, you will be able to achieve perfect baseboard transitions, even in the most skewed of corners that old buildings have to offer. 3/8 of an inch ratchet wrench kit. The PowerCore 12 brushless 12-bolt 3/8 of an inch impact wrench gives you controlled power in a compact form. With up to 100 foot-pounds torque and up to 3,400 IPM for driving tough nuts and bolts, it features a 3/8 inch square anvil with a friction ring for easy socket changes, a variable speed trigger for better control, and a digital brushless motor to maximize power. This impact wrench kit includes a PowerCore 12 2.0 AH lithium battery and power jump charger. Router table, model SRT1039. The Skill SRT1039 router table features a smooth laminated MDF work surface, an aluminum miter gauge slot, above the table adjustment, 2 feather boards, and a router clamp for everything your woodworking project calls for. The integrated router bit storage system saves you time and provides a central location for easy-to-lose bits. The rigid aluminum router mounting plate is compatible with many major router brands, while the tall fence handles taller stock when paired with the adjustable MDF base plates. Morphing fractal engraving vice jaws. Based on a 1900s milling machine, the fractal components create a tight grip on an irregular shape, like wrenches and scissors. Unlike a standard straight vise, which is typically only capable of clamping block-like parts, the 100-year-old fractal design is capable of morphing to grip virtually any object, regardless of the complexity of the geometry. Dubbed the coolest tool you didn't know you needed, the fractal vise is near impossible to purchase these days. Kaiweets HT106B. It's an advanced socket tester for quick detection of the correct electrical connection of the socket, designed using the RCD/GFCI test button. The power outlet is properly wired and the RCD/GFCI trip function. It can test the probe, easy to use, detect the neutral line, connect the wires, and ground wire correctly, and also indicate which line lacks the bright light mode. Speed wrap. This industrial-grade hook and loop cinch strap is easy to use. Simply wrap it around a bundle or object, insert the tip through the ring, and then back onto itself for a secure hold. Speed wrap cinch straps are reusable and perfect for large diameter bundles. The buckle allows the strap to be cinched down for a tighter hold or positive bundle compression. M-Boss. Designed with ease of use and cost efficiency in mind, keeps your operator training at a minimum. Permanent embossing of stainless steel plates was never easier. The new M-Boss ensures quiet operation and is therefore ideal for continuous operation in print shops, office environments, and on-site. The new M-Boss combines ease of use, cost efficiency, and reliability when it comes to permanently embossing stainless steel plates. Meet the quiet type that is ideal for continuous marker embossing in print shops, offices, and on-site. The M-Boss has been designed with ease of use in mind, keeping operator training at a minimum. 8 hours of continuous operation are not a problem, as an innovative cooling system allows for reliable continuous metal plate embossing. LTW5 Transport Trolley. The Empty Warp Beam Transport Trolley, LTW5, is a handy, versatile aid for comfortable empty warp beam transport. It can be used in the outer area to pick up the warp beams, or the empty warp beams can be presented to the warping or sizing machine. In addition, empty warp beams are removed from the weaving machine in the weaving mill and transported back to the warp beam store. Empty warp beam transport trolley is used for warp beam diameter 700 to 1250 millimeters, with tube diameter of 150 to 300 millimeters. The load capacity of this trolley is 500 kilograms. Panel carrier comfort. The handheld panel carrier 60 to 120 millimeters features innovative self-locking clamping jaws to securely hold panels up to 65 millimeters, or 2 9/16 of an inch thick. This is a professional duty carrier with a larger clamping range of up to 4 3/4 of an inch, ideal for interior and exterior doors, windows, and panels from 2 3/8 inch up to 4 3/4 of an inch thick. The carriers are made of thick steel with a rust-proof galvanized finish and can hold up to 100 kilograms, or 220 pounds each. Batava C-Grip. Grocery stores are one of the more difficult places to socially distance, which is where C-Grip comes in. The new silicone covers attach to shopping cart handles, so you don't have to touch them with your bare hands or the same gloves you're using to pick your food. BSM 630R-W. The BSM 630R-W gives you almost every possibility for manual processing of plastic pipes in the sawing range of up to 630 millimeters. Exact adjustment possibilities for angle and radius cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees by means of a scale, in combination with the high saw band speed, ensures optimum cutting quality and always a perfect result. The machine has a steel pipework frame with a diamond-shaped pipe bed. A variably adjustable clamping system allows the manual securing of the pipe in the diamond bed. An angle gauge located on the side where the user stands enables any cutting angle from 0 degrees all the way to 45 degrees. ValFast. ValFast is a logical further development of the existing spindle wedge concepts. In existing designs, there will always be a compromise between stability, functionality, and security. The new ValFast combines the best of the previously known and brings some smart features with it. Ball-bearing competitor products can be damaged after just a few weeks, especially if they operate the wedges at the power limit or work with impact wrenches. This problem does not await you with the ValFast. Furthermore, it is made of a high-strength materials. In the case of aluminum in particular, a special alloy is used which achieves a strength which is known from steel. The most heavily loaded component of a spindle wedge is the spindle. The ValFast has the most robust spindle and spindle nut we could find on the market. Seismic System. Hilti Seismic System serves the need of piping, ventilation, and electrical systems from light to heavy applications, with 3 different methods of bracing, which are wire bracing system, threaded rod bracing system, and channel bracing system. Hilti Seismic Bracing System provides seismic hinges, such as the newly developed MQS-AP, that allows on average 50% increase in productivity by improving the accessibility, removing nuts, fastening with only 1 screw, the ability to adjust the rod freely through the hinge, and the possibility to use power tools for fastening due to better accessibility. As part of the new offering, Hilti Seismic Bracing System includes also the possibility to retrofit applications, for post-installed installations using the newly developed MQS-HR. The new seismic hinge provides more construction flexibility by being compatible with both wire and threaded rod bracings and helping to find solutions for existing installations that need to be seismic retrofitted. The faucet seat wrench. This faucet seat wrench is great for removing and replacing tub and shower faucet compression seats. A 4-in-1 tool, it includes 2 double-ended bits, tapered, and 6-step extra blade storage in the handle helps avoid blade loss. A dual material grip provides extended user comfort. Tyrell Transport Cart. This cart is designed for transport and handling of large format tiles. It allows to easily and safely spread adhesive in the back of the tile. When the handling devices or frames are on the cam, ADV, the suction cups remain fully accessible. This allows to restore the vacuum, if needed, easily. This feature is particularly relevant when installing textured large format tiles. One side of the cart can be used as storage for the transport of 1 or more slabs. 2 of the 4 pivoting wheels are provided with brakes, so to prevent the cart from accidentally moving on you. Panel Beater PB250. The Panel Beater PB250 Plus is a light, portable device with a manual drive. Generates flat beads in sheet metal, coulters, and folded or pre-profiled material. The manual feed on the top roller enables sensitive processing of the workpieces and the processing of the complex shapes. The workpiece is not only guided through a stop plate, but also through vertically arranged hard guide rollers and ball bearings, which ensure the repeatability of recurring workpieces. Bend unlimited lengths of metal on the job or in the shop. No more limitations to only 8 feet. Coke Strip 6480. The Coke's Strip 6480 is a fully programmable multi-step stripping machine for coaxial, triaxial, and multi-conductor cable, as well as single conductor wire. Fast cycle times, multiple steps, with freely selectable stripping sequence, cable diameter verification, cable end detection, and automated cable retraction functions guarantee high precision and reliability. The incisions of the blade are linear and perpendicular to the cable axis, resulting in a clean and highly precise cut. In addition, the protective cover can be removed without tools, thus facilitating maintenance of the machine. The Coke Strip 6480 fully complies with all CE and EMC equipment guidelines relative to mechanical and electrical safety and electromagnetic compatibility. Can-Am Tool. This tool will make finishing almost any corner quicker and easier. Designed with quality in mind, the revolutionary hinged flusher is made with high-quality stainless steel for unmatched strength and durability. Additionally, this material helps avoid corrosion or marking of the drywall with rust. It is easy to clean and comes in 2.5-inch, 3-inch, and 3-inch wide track and 3.5-inch sizes, featuring gold anodized runners with inline wheels. These premium corner finishers are designed to wipe, feather, and finish both sides of any inside angle between 72 degrees and 135 degrees in a single pass, with little need for cleanup or sanding. RM35 Cable Length Measuring Device. The Runpometer RM35 is a digital cable length measuring device which can be used to precisely measure cables, single conductors, ropes, pipes, or hoses with a diameter of /0.2 mm up to /0.32 mm. It is splash-proof and dust-proof, extremely shock-resistant and thus ideally suited for the job site. The RM35 has 2 totaling buttons, which can be used to add up the measured values as you work. A countdown function is also included, which can be used to measure predetermined cable lengths. The RM35 is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that has an extremely long runtime. The battery can be charged using the integrated USB-C charging socket. The Runpometer RM35 is perfectly stowed in the Run-Potec system case, which is also compatible with Sortimo products. The belt length can be easily adjusted from 750 mm to 1200 mm. Alternatively, This belt can also be fixed to the connecting pad, thereby offering a fixation option for all conventional rolling systems. Beam Nova. The vise at the base allows flexible clamping adjustment. The maximum clamping angle can reach 45 degrees with a clamping width of 80 millimeters, and it holds a max of 150 millimeters or 5.9 inches width in 0 degrees. Upgraded holder clamp for angle grinders within 150 millimeters or 5.9 inches. Adjustable fixing arm for multiple types of angle grinders. Just press and hold the yellow button and gently pull or push the screw rod to adjust the clamping range. Tough spring has sufficient elastic force to return quickly and does not deform after stretching. Hence, it is user-friendly. The smooth sliding rail provides smooth sliding and a max of 150 millimeters or 5.9 inches in cutting length. The extended non-slip handle offers a comfortable cutting experience. Fine-tuning knob and locking fixture at the vise are designed for more stable cutting. Non-slip silicone fixed shaft for more stable angle grinder holding. Hillmore 1 5/8 inch ratcheting plastic tubing cutter. When you need an extra hand, get a hold of Hillmore's 1 5/8 inch ratcheting plastic tubing cutter. A rubberized comfort grip handle makes this easy to do, while a stainless steel blade gives you the hands-down advantage on PEX and PVC. You no longer need big pipes to slice right through them. An ergonomic cast aluminum body and stainless steel blade increase the life and durability. A rubberized handle makes it easier to use in wet and dirty environments. A conveniently placed release button allows for true one-handed operation, while a locking tab secures the blade in place. Ready Rest. The height and angle adjustable ready rests attach securely to any steel surface for safe and convenient holding of your torch, and cables for full access while you work. The unique adjustable cable hanger provides cable control for safety and ease of handling. Store your torch on the ready rest to prevent damage and create a clean, organized work area. Adjustable cable hanger holds cable slack, reducing wrist fatigue. The ready rest line of MIG and TIG torches rest from strong hand tools attached securely to a welding table, welding machine, or other steel surface with a strong magnetic base to increase efficiency and prevent torch damage. These articulated rests are height and angle adjustable for setting at the ideal position for easy access while working. BB103. Designed and modeled after the popular Bessie GTR 16S6H. Guide rail and table clamp. The new clamp is perfect for secure and rapid fastening of guide rails from Festool, Makita, DeWalt, Hitachi, Metabo, and other popular tracks. This universal clamp is also used for clamping in profiles as well as work tables. Ratcheting action is 5 times faster than conventional clamps and is secure and unaffected by vibrations.
PneumoFix clamping device. The PneumoFix tensioning device with the left-right turning tensioning unit enables effective and first strapping with thread structure and composite tapes up to 32 millimeters wide. Its strengths, the 7500N clamping power, controllable by pre-selecting the operating pressure with an integrated cutting unit, makes strapping easier. Tensioning straps is often a challenge with large and/or high-packing units. Likewise, wide belts for manual tensioning can be bulky. The PneumoFix tensioning device does this for you, so to speak, with the left hand. Without touching the knife unit, you pre-tension mechanically and loosen the belt a little in reverse gear. The PneumoFix tensioning device can then carry out the further packaging process, tensioning and separating the tape. Foam Cutter KD5. Whether you're fitting ceiling tiles or creating an artwork, being able to shape hard foam quickly and accurately can transform your day. The KD5 thermal cutter requires no special training or skills and allows you to create straight edges or complex shapes with no mess and no fuss. KD5 thermal cutter cuts cleanly and smoothly. As the heat reacts with the foam, it cuts without leaving the dust and debris common when using a conventional knife. With no dust or polystyrene fillings left behind, cleaning up is easy. Designed for commercial and industrial use, it's a popular choice for hard foam molding, DIY, and construction. Reaching cutting temperatures in as little as 10 seconds, The KD5 slides through hard foam with little resistance. It's easy to maneuver, making it possible to cut freehand shapes or to easily follow a guide. It's easy for construction work, and it's easy to cut pieces to fit, whether you're trimming a tile or shaping an outlet point. Safety helmets. Safety helmets deliver you better protection and more comfort. These safety helmets offer protection from top and side impacts. These construction safety helmets are bolt compatible with 4 bolt accessory slots and 2 universal accessory slots that easily integrate additional personal protection equipment and accessories so you can adapt it to your job site. The helmets include a Milwaukee bolt headlamp mount that works with most headlamps for easy, secure attachment, and a bolt marker clip allows for easy access to pens and markers. Pneumatic cutoff tool. Make sparks fly with Matco's reversing flex head pneumatic cutoff tool. Easily cut through your workload with unmatched control and superior power. Reversing is made easy with quick action rear reversing collar to direct sparks. Flex head design allows for neutral, 25-degree up and 25-degree down positions for better access. The flex head cutoff tool is useful in a wide array of applications and materials. The flex head cutoff tool has a half-horsepower motor to cut through muffler and radiator clamps, bolts, sheet metal, fiberglass, and even steel rods up to 3/4 of an inch. The 3-position flex head allows for the flex head cutoff tool to work in tight and cramped places. Bolt cutters from Clock. The Clock EBS6L GKS is a battery-powered cable cutting tool that has a maximizing diameter range for cable lugs and connectors of 6 mm, suitable for cutting copper and aluminum cables. The Clock EBS6L GKS is fast and efficient as cutting takes less than 1 second and requires maintenance after 20,000 cuts. The Clock EBS6L GKS cutting tool uses iPress app, which allows all tool data to be viewed at a glance. Have a multi-function LED for maintenance control and charging display for the battery. ASSG Safety Cutting System. ASSG Safety Cutting System is a battery-powered cable cutting tool that has a maximum diameter range for cable lugs and connectors of 8 mm, suitable for cutting cable channels, bolts, and medium hard steel wire. The Clock ASSG Safety Cutting System has a slim cutting head ideal for work in confined spaces and uses powerful 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. DGUV-tested safety cutting device for cutting copper and aluminum cables without steel armoring, which are under voltage in the event of fault, with a normal voltage of up to 60 kilovolts. Single-core cables without steel armoring can be cut safely under voltage up to 110 kilovolts or 60 Hz. Safe and fast work by using the remote control and 10-meter-long safety hydraulic hose. Hoppa Cable Unwinder. Hoppa Cable Unwinder is a universal professional cable drum winder and unwinder for all types of cables and pipes. It enables trouble-free and rational working without tangled cables. The Hoppa Cable Unwinder can be loaded up to 800 kilograms and is suitable for almost any type of drum, especially suitable for damaged cable drums. The height adjustment cover is perfectly designed to secure loose cables, cable rings, or pipes in the Hoppa Cable Unwinder, thus preventing uncontrolled cable unwinding. 12 rubberized feet ensure a non-slip and stable base, optimal for protecting surfaces and already finished floor coverings. Hydraulic block cutter. The AL43S H21 has a cutting pressure of 21 tons and equipped with fixed blades. This makes the block splitter ideally suited for cutting natural stone with an irregular surface varying by more than 4 mm, cobblestones, thick slabs, and clinkers, etc. The AL43S H21 is equipped with 5 hydraulic pistons that distribute the pressure evenly across the cutting width. A perfect cutting result is guaranteed with just one press of a button. Armor Slice SWA Cable Stripper. Robust metal alloy body for strength and durability. Provides fast, clean, and safe stripping of steel wire armored SWA cables. Wide stripping capacity of 12 to 36 mm diameter. Cable clamp applies constant pressure throughout the cut with no retightening necessary. Wide cable clamp ensures perfect blade, the cable alignment for precise cuts. Features high-performance, hardened steel alloy cutting blade and integrated spare blade holder for quick blade changes. Supplied with 6 blades. Scores armor strands to a uniform depth for a clean break-off and trouble-free gland connection. Automatic cable clamp applies constant pressure throughout the cut with no retightening necessary. Wide cable clamp ensures perfect blade to cable alignment for precise cuts. rugged all-metal construction with integrated spare blade holder, perfect results of cables from 12 to 36 millimeters. Bead Bazooka Gen 2. Introducing the second-generation Bead Bazooka, the most advanced bead sitter ever made. It is capable of handling a gun range of tires, from motorcycles to light agricultural vehicles. The new Bead Bazooka utilizes an upgraded version of the trigger-operated rapid air release, or the RAR, valve technology found in the original Bead Bazooka models. The extra power it delivers allows it to be smaller and lighter while still allowing the user to seat even the most stubborn tire beads. The new valve is also easily serviced or replaced so that you can expand its service life and maximize uptime. SaferGo. The Wintech SaferGo truck tire dolly is the easiest way to mount and dismount tire trucks. This convenient dolly makes manually lifting wheel sets completely unnecessary. Simply slide the rollers underneath the tire and use the jack handle to raise it to its desired height. You can then use the included Gaither O-liner to perfectly position the wheel for easy installation. The SaferGo also comes equipped with a collapsible handle frame, making it easy to store and ideal for mobile situations. Cordless Garden Sprayer. The compact and lightweight cordless sprayer offers easily handling and high maneuverability. The hand valve lever has 2 selectable modes. Obviously, the running cost has come down as it runs on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Paddle switch under the grip of spray wand allows for easy on-off control of spraying and is equipped with lock-on buttons for continuous spraying. 1.7 meter hose allows for operation with the sprayer on the ground and does not rub the ground when the sprayer hangs from the shoulders. 5-liter large capacity tank, both sides are ergonomically curved to fit the user's body when the sprayer hangs from the shoulder, increasing user's productivity. Timberland Chainsaw Sharpener. The Timberland Chainsaw Sharpener makes sharpening your chainsaw much easier and more precise. The Timberland Chainsaw Sharpener lets you sharpen your chain on the job, allowing you to work faster and smarter. The tool comes with everything you need to sharpen your saw. Included is a durable carrying case with shoulder strap and belt loop. The carbide cutters used with the Timberline are interchangeable and purchased separately. The key to the tool is a solid platform that won't bend, flex, or otherwise move during sharpening. This acts as a fixed guide to sharpen each cutting tooth accurately on the chain with little or no deviation. Each tooth is sharpened individually with the carbide cutter fitted on the hand crank. An adjustable stopper pawl pushes the chain forward into the carbide cutter and thus sets the length of each cutting tooth. Bora Porta Mat Storage Rack. The Bora Porta Mat Storage Rack is the perfect solution for the storage of wood logs, lumbers, pipes, or any other long household items. The orange-gray rack has a well-mounted design that helps in the best utilization of vertical space in workshops, garages, or sheds. Each of the levels of the rack can hold up to 110 pounds of weight. Steel tube construction offers great strength and durability, and the powder-coated finish prevents corrosion. Use this rack to keep gutters, pipes, molding, or any sports equipment. Utility industrial storage equipment holds a significant amount of weight, which is why each shelf holds up to 110 pounds. That's a 600-pound weight capacity for all 6 shelves. Store all those heavy boards or logs with the assurance that your organizer can handle the weight. Keter Folding Work Table. The Keter Folding Work Table provides a sturdy portable workspace for a wide variety of projects. Count on this folding work table to provide dependable work support for everything from standing 2x4s to standing table legs. Durable steel legs provide the support you need to feel confident while performing any task, while a pair of one-handed clamps hold your project material securely in place. Try it for one project and the bench will become your go-to source for reliable work support. Made of heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs and a workspace capacity of 1,000 pounds, unique quick opening and folding system for easy storage and portability. Damaged Bolt and Stud Extractor Tool. This damaged bolt and stud extractor tool is 3/8 inch drive and can be used with hand ratchets, impact wrenches, and air ratchets. The hexagonal flat can be used with flat wrenches, adjustable wrenches, sockets, and locking pliers. Its compact design allows access into small areas where studs may be hard to reach. Manufactured with high-grade, heat-treated alloy steel for maximum durability, this tool also features chrome finish with additional rust protection and aesthetic appeal. This tool will save hours of frustration on broken exhaust manifolds, oil filter plugs, rounded starter bolts, low-grade bolts left in salt water, painted over bolts, rusted type bolts, and more. Robotica. Designed for precise cutting, Robotica Automatic Rail Disc Saw has the perfect perpendicular action essential for making the consistently accurate, right-angle cuts in both axes that are fundamental to the reliability of isolated joints and automatic signaling systems. Robotica presents a new concept in rail disc saws by combining a powerful and robust saw with the world's first automatic support arm, which during the cutting phase allows the operator to be in control. Speed control to optimize disc performance, minimizing consumption, and consequently delivering the greatest number of cuts. Metallic disc protection casing with angular regulation device is not affected by vibration, so assures operator security and optimum visibility. Rocamet PF M5. The plaster finishing machine Compact PF M5 is particularly popular due to its compact design. The motor is integrated in the handle, which ensures comfortable handling. This is especially appreciated when working in confined spaces or on scaffolding. The PF M5 is also equipped with a 20-meter cable, which means you can mostly dispense with the use of extension cables. This feature contributes to increased safety and more working comfort. Roam Wild Multi-Digger Edger. Ideal for digging in tight spaces such as confined flower beds, trenches, and planting large shrubs or trees. Stores easily in a backpack, so is ideal for metal detectors too. Ultra lightweight, whilst at the same time being extremely robust, the Roam Wild Multi-Digger Mini Spade is the next level in digging innovation. The unique design allows the user to translate digging power directly to the tip of the tool where it matters most. This significantly reduces digging effort. The innovative arrow-shaped head easily penetrates any soil or rocky ground. It makes light work of cutting through roots, turf, and digging into hard clay. Mills Polemate. The Mills Polemate is a time-saving mobile work support that provides a temporary workstation for remote mobile engineers working on telegraph poles and lampposts, etc. The S83-6958 is a specialist variant designed to allow engineers to easily install and maintain the BT or open-reach one-fiber overhead joints, or the CMJ and MMJ, by holding them securely at the correct working height during building and splicing activities. The Polemate is simple and quick to fit on all wooden telegraph poles and is supplied by 3x wedge-shaped rubber spacers, which can be used to prevent compression marks and avoid damage to vertically routed copper cables. Once the strap and backplate have been ratcheted into position, the tray can be easily slipped into place, which then provides a firm work support for both joint splicer, cleaver, and associated tools. Due to its unique design, the tray can easily be disengaged from the cabling to allow final positioning of the completed joint. Hub Genie. Hub Genie is a unique solution for removing hub end caps while servicing the hubs and converting them to different standards. Thanks to the expanding mechanism, which grabs the hubcap evenly from the inside, even the most stubborn hub end caps are easy to pull off. Compared with the traditional way of removing hub end caps, this tool won't damage cups or hub. Simply genius. The tool is available in two versions. A smaller one that covers hubs with 12mm and 15mm through axles, and a bigger version that works with 20mm through axle hubs. Both versions feature plastic dipped handle for better ergonomics and grip. Universal Individual Template. Bloom Universal Individual Template. This is the newest design by Bloom, replacing the one ending in .01, used to pre-bore for Ventos lift mechanism, locating pins and pre-boring the hinge mounting plates. Used for pre-boring holes for Legra box, tandem box, and tandem draw runners. Also used for marking and pre-boring cabinet profiles, and Blue Motion for doors and tip-on for doors adapter plates. Calibrated scale for accurate setting. Its improvements is an adjustable C profile has been added to the template to achieve better contact with the face of the cabinet. This will enhance the function of the pre-boring process by eliminating uneven positioning for tipping of the template. An anti-tip adhesive tape has been applied to the contact surface of the C profile to prevent slipping on the cabinet face. Cable Drum Unwinder. The Greenlee Cable Drum Roller is 710mm high, 605mm long, and 95mm wide, with a diameter ranging between 200mm and 700mm. It is an ultra-light, robust, single-sleeve drum roller with the easy winding and unwinding of large cable drums. This roller is made of zinc-plated steel with a protective spray coating. Starrett A19 Hole Enlargement Arbor. For moments when you've made a mistake and used a hole saw and trunking that's too small, or are replacing old downlighters and need to make the holes larger, Starrett's Oops Arbor can help save you time and money. Replacing the pilot drill, the A19 allows diameters to be enlarged by attaching a saw of the same size to that of the existing hole. This saw then acts as the pilot with a larger diameter saw that is attached to the arbor in the normal way. Plasterer's bit holder. Bits are manufactured with S2 premium steel for long life and are suitable for all heavy-duty screw driving applications. The addition of the torsion zone alleviates the stress and pressure put on the bit during drilling, increasing endurance, product life, and overall performance. Kuko Thread Repair System. The Series K58 thread repair set is designed for restoring heavy-duty screw connections with stripped internal threads, as well as for repairing defective or over-tightened threads on all kinds of oil pans or drain plugs. With this new threaded insert, it takes just a few steps to restore worn-out or damaged threads to their original condition in a proper and affordable manner. The 60-piece set contains the following: 40 threaded inserts of various sizes, 4 drill bits, 4 countersink drill bits, 4 thread cutters, 4 insertion tools, and 2-part ratcheting tool holder, a bottle of organic multi-oil, and a Kuko chip with a unique serial number for warranty extension. Berkling Tools 7102. 7102 is the most company-weight air saw in the market. Combine air saw and air file in one single versatile tool for various applications. Patent-pending low vibration, 3M S2, and noise reduction at 88 decibels mechanism. Safety trigger, it is multifunctional and versatile. It can saw, drill, deburr, and more. This video is demonstrating sawing a 1-inch steel pipe with a 1/8 inch wall thickness. Smith's 3-in-1 Sharpener. Smith's 3-in-1 Sharpener can handle all of your sharpening needs. It features pre-aligned carbide blades, which are reversible and replaceable for quick edge setting capabilities. The fine 750 grit interrupted surface diamond stone provides a quick razor-sharp edge on a knife or tool. A pair of specially shaped teardrop ceramic rods provide multi-use sharpening capabilities, everything from standard to serrated edges, along with hooks and tools. The protective storage lid also serves as a handguard, and the ceramic rods fit securely into a compartment at the bottom of the base for safe and easy storage. IMR Series Back-to-Back Distance Measuring Gauge. Electronic gauge is designed for measuring back-to-back distances of railway, metro, and tram wheels in the course of checkup, examination, repair, and formation of wheel sets. Measurements are made directly on rolling stock without wheel set rollout. The method of measurement is based on direct measurements the distance by contactless laser sensor. The LDE HS series electronic gauge contains ball support to place the gauge on the internal surface of the wheel. 2 side supports the base, the gauge to the wheel flange, 2 bottom supports to the rails, and contactless laser sensor. There is a digital numeric display and control buttons on the front panel of the gauge. A charge indicator or charging device connection is situated on the top panel of the gauge. The method of back-to-back distance measuring is based on the direct measurement, the distance by laser triangulation sensor, LDE series, inbuilt onto the gauge. Goldblatt's Dust-Free Hand Sander. Reduce 90% of dust and mess with our dust-free hand sander. This lightweight drywall sander has several great features, including a 360-degree pivoting elbow for ease of use on vertical surfaces and an adjustable vent for various vacuum force. The Goldblatt Dust-Free Hand Sander is designed to remove more than 90% of the mess while providing top-notch performance and reliability. Compatible with most shop vacuums, the hand sander is lightweight and includes a coupler, adapter, and 6-foot hose. The Goldblatt Dust-Free Hand Sander can be used with standard sanding screens, and in its adjustable vent allows the user to change the vacuum force. This hand sander is perfect for any drywall, wallboard, or woodworking project. Handheld inner diameter measuring gauge. Operation of the device is based on the scanning of the tube inner surface by rotating laser head. The gauge operates as follows. The operator inserts the laser head into the pipe and places the supports of the gauge at the pipe end. After pressing the measurement button, the laser head begins rotating. The laser sensor scans the inner surface of the pipe, and the built-in controller receives the polar coordinates of the surface. The controller calculates the required parameters, displays them, and shows the result OK or NO-K in accordance with the specified tolerances. Measurement data can be accumulated in the gauge memory and transferred to the database on the PC. Fisker's Watering Sprinkler. The sprinkler type you need depends on the shape and size of the area you want to water. Will you be watering grass or perhaps a vegetable garden? There are a variety of sprinklers for different lawn sizes. The 2019 sprinkler features an on-off valve, which is designed to mark sprinkler adjustment easy, as there is no need to walk to the tap and back to switch the water flow off. For environmentally conscious gardeners, Fisker's water-saving oscillator sprinkler models can save up to 20% water compared to traditional oscillating sprinklers.
CC Grind Strong. The new CC Grind Strong grinding discs from PF-ERD offers a modern high-performance and ergonomic alternative to conventional resin-bonded grinding wheels. The unique design combines the strength and long service life of its quarter-inch resin-bonded abrasive backer with the comfortable operation and fine surface finish of its layered coated abrasive discs. This innovative product results in highly aggressive removal rates, with noise and vibration being reduced by as much as 50%, and dust gets reduced by as much as 70%. Compared to conventional grinding wheels, CC Grind Strong grinding discs are suitable for use on steel in applications such as mill scale removal, weld dressing, chamfering, and deburring. They are available in 4.5-inch and 5-inch diameter sizes, with both 7/8 inch unthreaded bore and 5/8 inch to 11 quick change threaded hub. Klingspor DT 350 BT. Special turbo segments for a very high cutting speed in concrete and all concrete products. Research development and continuous testing have resulted in a steady performance increase of up to 45% in diamond tools made by Klingspor. Designed for construction above and below ground, road building, roofers, and stone cutters. Klingspor diamond products are suitable for all mineral materials and can be mounted on handheld machinery table saws, electric joint cutters, and joint cutters with a capacity of up to 20 kilowatts. Klingspor offers 3 finely attuned product lines. Every user will find the diamond tool that is suited perfectly for the specific task needed to be accomplished. Nozar. Ultra-light and optimized diamond cutting disc for cordless angle grinders. Perfectly suitable for natural and artificial stone, concrete, exposed aggregate concrete, roof tiles, and general building materials. The diamond segments of the diamond disc are made from the diamond mixture, specially developed for each application, in which the grain size and the concentration of the diamonds are optimally combined, with the wear-resistant metal bond based on cobalt, iron, nickel, and bronze alloys. Whether grinding or sawing, the cutting disc is designed for angle grinders, motor cutoff saws, table saws, and motor cutoff grinders, with a maximum of 7.5 kilowatts. You can use it to process concrete products, brick, stone, and natural stone safely and reliably. Atrix Fintail. It doesn't get any more challenging than that. The Atrix Fintail offers maximum safety through EMP welded segments, and the cup wheel remains steadfast. With the Atrix Fintail, you can achieve a unique service life even under the toughest conditions. Ho-Bit Disc. Vacuum brazed premium universal disc, which is approved on angle grinders according to EN 13236. Equipped with large coarse diamonds, which, with their angular shape, prevent stewing when cutting the wood and soft materials. Due to the coarse dust that accumulates when cutting, the use of a dust extraction is recommended. It's ideal for roofers, gardeners, landscapers, and carpenters. Areas of application are wood, also with nails, bitumen sheeting, roofing felt, roof tiles, roots, hardwood, plastic pipes, and thin sheets. Distar. You get the ready groove, adjust the depth, and cut without dust. For laying of wiring, makes the grooves or slots in the walls, ceilings, in which electrical wires and cables are placed. You need to cut 2 parallel cuts with a diamond blade to do this, often using special wall chaser machine for grooving. that doing this 2 times faster and with a minimum of dust. However, this method has several disadvantages, which are solved by using a special accessory attachment on the angle grinder. There is no need to purchase an expensive wall chaser machine. New version 2.0 of the accessory attachment improved mounting system. Carbide cutting disc. The disc's specially designed carbide granulate ensures not only excellent durability, but also rapid cuts with the angle grinder. Different materials can be cut with a single device. No more time-consuming machine and accessory changes. The minimum disc thickness and the presence of damping slits facilitates a high circumferential speed of 80 meters per second. The robust connection between the steel body and carbide granulate ensures durability and safety when cutting. Dish wheel. Cuts-all dish wheels are the perfect tool for concave shaping, giving you effortless control while adding extra layers of dimension to your creations. Their rounded form and rapid cutting action makes them excellent for contouring sculpted chairs, large bowls, even dimensional lumber. The rugged tungsten carbide coating on all cuts-all dish wheels allows you to cut faster and longer. With minimal clogging and time spent cleaning, cuts-all dish wheels are available in 2 different coating styles, Original and Extreme. Original uses the signature Original cuts-all coating, which allows for exceptional control for easy shaping and leaves a surface that's ready for final finishing steps. Extreme Cuts-all Extreme is the most aggressive coating for when you need to remove a lot in a hurry. The aggressive teeth on the Extreme coating are open-spaced, providing fast material removal with minimal loading. Bush hammer tool. This bush hammer tool is designed to be used on Makita angle grinder for bush hammering concrete, granite, marble, and other construction materials. With a steel cover, you can connect a vacuum cleaner to control the dust. Both of the connection of the 150 bush hammer plate and steel cover can be customized to fit your specific angle grinder needs. Supplied with 4-head rotary bush hammer plate, this manual bush hammer tool is very convenient to do free bush hammering on flat surfaces like granite, marble, and many others. It has good productivity and is easy to be held and operated. Sunny Diamond Tools has developed different types of bush hammer plate to fit different angle grinders, such as Bosch, Makita, etc. 4-way. Diamond grinding cup wheels are the most efficient way to grind all types of stone, such as granite, marble, sandstone, limestone, etc. Diamond cup wheels are mainly used for buffing and sculpting stones on the manual cutting machines and manual grinding machines. Offers better performance than single row, double row, turbo, or spiral segment cup wheels. Meta Lynx. Ultra cut wheels deliver unmatched cutting performance and toughness with a true 1 mm thickness. Proprietary solid core technology increases the density of the wheels, resulting in longer life, reduced friction, and superior stability. From the first cut, operators will experience lightning fast, smooth cutting, and exceptional control for clean, precise cuts on thin sheet metal, profiles, and small diameter rods. The new Meta Lynx line incorporates a complete series of cutting and grinding wheels, flap discs, and wire brushes. Selection has never been so simple, as the Meta Lynx brand includes the comprehensive new Max Performance line and the Pro Performance line. The Max range has been introduced to maximize productivity whilst demonstrating superior service life and cutting rates, removing stock material effortlessly. The Max Performance line is suitable for applications on steel, stainless, Inconel, titanium, and high nickel alloys. In contrast, the Pro Performance line is a versatile series that demonstrates long product life for general-purpose applications on materials such as carbon and stainless steel, structural steel, iron, and general metals. KGS SwiftFlex. KGS Diamond, the inventors of the dry polishing flexible diamond discs, are introducing a new generation flexible diamond discs for dry polishing of all types of natural stone, but also ceramic, concrete, glass, and engineered stone. The development of a new resin bond in combination with a special diamond quality have resulted in an extremely fast-working product with a very long lifetime. It has also resulted in a product giving perfect polishing results with no decoloration of the stone at all. KGS Swiftflex XX, truly a benchmark in the range of dry grinding and polishing discs. Used on an angle grinder, the product is very easy to handle, yet very aggressive and fast with the best results. KGS Swiftflex XX can be used dry on almost any natural stone, such as white marble or other marble types, granite, limestone, etc. Lessman Wheel Brush. Wheeled brushes filled with crimped wire are used for the purpose of obtaining different surface finishing. Lessman small diameter crimped wheels have a manifold used for deburring, cleaning, derusting, or paint stripping on various work pieces and surfaces. A typical application, for example, is the cleaning of interior and exterior threads or the treatment of areas which are hard to reach. The brushes are inserted directly into the machine or are mounted into a drilling machine or fast-moving item with a suitable drive arbor. Now, depending on the application and requirements, several brushes can be mounted in a row. Graph Black Cutting Wheel. Graph Black 4.5-inch or 115 millimeters and 5-inch or 125 millimeters diamond angle grinder cutoff wheel for metal with 7/8-inch 22.23 millimeters R bore. This is a unique cutting wheel with a new generation synthetic diamond that is able to make up to 3,000 cuts. It has a constant diameter over the entire product life cycle. Diamond cutting edge is 3 millimeters high. Cutoff wheel has a constant diameter that allows dry cutting of metal, rebar, iron, metal profiles, aluminum, different types of pipes, and other sheet metals. According to the test results, Graph Black enables to make more than 3,000 cuts. Increased lifetime of this cutoff wheel is ensured by high-temperature plasma soldering and a new generation of diamond grit in the cutting segment. BIHUI Multi-Purpose Cutting and Grinding Wheel. The BIHUI Multi-Purpose Cutting and Grinding Wheel is electroplated with diamond finish for fast cutting. The wheel has a certain flexibility, which helps to improve the roughness of the surface, mainly used for grinding, semi-fine grinding, knife grinding, polishing, and other processes. High grinding efficiency. Grinding wheel consumption is relatively slow, generally applicable to the grinding of marble, granite, ceramic, artificial stone, and glass, etc. Especially suitable for the building decorated with concrete wall, marble floor, grinding edge of granite plate, chamfering, and arc grinding.
Thanks for watching. If these 100 Unreal tools impressed you, drop a like, share with your fellow makers, and hit subscribe for more tool pack content. Got a favorite? Let us know in the comments, or tell us what we missed. Until next time, keep building, stay sharp, and keep those ideas cutting clean.